VEO is an AI sports camera that by recording a lot of pixels at your game, we compute them with a lot of AI, and then we give you insights like they would do in the Champions League studio. And we give you these insights so you as an amateur coach or a semi-professional can get information about your team and improve your team. But we also enable for some entertainment features like live streaming your games and so forth, so you can see your daughter's first goal. On top of optics, we have to build an IoT product that has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, computing, LEDs and stuff like this, batteries, which is also sort of making it complex, but especially the optical part is where there's a lot of data throughput, a lot of pixel information that we have to get through. And this poses some big challenges. One for uploading it to the cloud and processing it afterwards and not paying a fortune for that, but also just to get the raw image in the camera is a complicated one.
And that was where Rohde Schwarz came in, where we started expanding with network analyzers and EMC test boxes and more professional oscilloscopes with more testing capabilities than the prior devices we had. We needed to figure out why the camera interface kept crashing. Was it an electronics case? Was it the main board? Was it the sensor? Was it our main processor that was the issue? We really needed to understand the signals because it was such an intermittent error and it didn't seem to be firmware related.
My engineers had a lot of different brands of scopes and different types of equipment, and I've always thought that if you end up spending 3 months of very valuable engineering time on a bug fix that you could have done with the right equipment in 2 months, that's a lot of money saved.
They contacted us because they had some issues with some of their cameras and they wanted our assistance.
I asked Rohde Schwarz if we could lend some of the equipment and get it in, try it out, see that my engineer was actually using it, and then we could buy it. And that was giving me a really good option to invest. It was making it a very clear case for me.
When I have a problem I cannot solve, I will contact Rohde Schwarz because I know they are here. They have the experts. They can help us with, borrowing equipment.
We started by figuring out that we had a severe EMC issue that could be the reason for our product crashing.
We are locally present. We are actually the only company in Denmark within test and measurement equipment that are locally here. That means that we can bring in more experts. We also have a direct line to the headquarters in Munich. So we are very fast in assisting our customers here in Denmark.
Another huge aspect of it is, of course, to comply to the regulatory standards out there. So that would be EMC, radiated noise and emission. If we do not comply to these standards, we wouldn't be able to sell our products.
It was really nice understanding that we had these test packages from Rohde Schwarz that could actually speed up a lot of our testing and focus our efforts. So it was a real eye-opener what we can actually, how much time we can save by using some of the pre-programmed compliance packages in the scope.
After some time, we found out that it was a matter of flipping a software switch. That actually solved all of the problems, so that we no longer had any unwanted noise coupling into our radio, and we also complied with the regulatory standards afterwards.
We have scalable solutions. So for instance, here at VEO, they use some of our oscilloscopes in the entry-level area, but also in the high-end. And the usability of these products is that it's the same approach. So if you can use one, you can also use the other.
When going to the test house, the devices will pass. First off, it saves us a lot of time if it passes the first time, but also it saves us a lot of money because doing the certified tests are very expensive, and we want to be confident that when we send out a product or a device for testing that it is passing the first time.
This is the biggest feature of a VEO camera, is that the entire user experience is thought through from A to Z. We try to give you something that actually provides value for the customer. So these challenges require pretty advanced tooling from our side, and this is where we will be working with Rohde Schwarz as a trusted partner on this area.